In this video, we listed the 15 best space-saving organization for cosplay on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Portable Wood Chairs. Portable wood chairs are a versatile and functional addition to modern dining room table sets, especially those designed for space-saving solutions like extensible and folding tables. These chairs are crafted with portability in mind, allowing for easy storage and movement while maintaining durability and aesthetic appeal. Key features: portability, lightweight construction for easy relocation, often foldable or stackable for compact storage, ideal for small spaces or multi-purpose areas. Durability, made from sturdy wood materials such as oak, pine, or engineered wood, ensuring longevity. Reinforced joints and high-quality finishes enhance resistance to wear and tear. Modern aesthetic, clean lines and minimalist designs complement modern dining tables, including rectangular or folding options like mesa plegables. Available in various finishes, from natural wood tones to painted or stained options, to match diverse interior styles. Product 2. Product name: Modern Multilayer Shoe Rack. The Modern Multilayer Shoe Rack is an elegant and functional piece of furniture designed to enhance the organization of your hallway or entrance space. This narrow shoe shelf maximizes utility without compromising on style, making it ideal for compact areas where space optimization is crucial. Key features: multilayer design. Multiple tiers provide ample storage for shoes, making it easy to keep footwear organized and accessible. The layered structure accommodates various shoe sizes and styles, from sneakers to heels. Space-saving dimensions. Its slim, narrow profile ensures it fits seamlessly into tight spaces, such as entryways, hallways, or small apartments. Versatile usage. In addition to serving as a shoe rack, it can double as a metal flower shelf, offering a decorative element for plants or other ornaments. This versatility adds aesthetic appeal while keeping your entrance tidy. Product 3. Product name: Large Compression Bag Quilt. The Large Compression Bag Quilt Clothes Closet Cabinet Organizer is an innovative and practical storage solution designed to maximize space efficiency in your home. Perfect for storing bulky items such as quilts, comforters, blankets, and seasonal clothing, this organizer is ideal for creating a neat and clutter-free environment. Here are its key features and benefits. Key features: ultra space-saving design. The self-compression mechanism enables significant volume reduction, making it ideal for fitting large, bulky items into compact storage spaces like closets, cabinets, or under beds. Durable material, crafted from high-quality, tear-resistant materials, ensuring long-lasting use while protecting your items from dust, moisture, and odors. User-friendly, features an easy-to-use compression system that does not require vacuum pumps, simplifying the packing and storage process. Transparent window. Many models include a clear panel, allowing quick identification of the contents without the need to open the bag. Versatile use, suitable for home storage, seasonal packing, and travel, offering a flexible solution for organizing different types of fabrics and soft goods. Product 4. Product name: Folding Dining Table and Chairs Set. The space-saving wooden folding dining table and chairs set is a versatile and practical furniture solution designed for compact living spaces. This set includes one solid wood dining table and four matching chairs, offering functionality without compromising style. The table's dimensions of 1.3 m x 0.8 m x 0.75 m provide ample surface area for meals and gatherings while maintaining a compact footprint when folded. Key features: solid wood construction. Built with high-quality solid wood, the table and chairs ensure long-lasting durability and sturdiness, making them ideal for everyday use. The natural wood finish adds warmth and elegance to any dining area. Space-saving design. The folding mechanism allows the table and chairs to be neatly stored when not in use, maximizing floor space, perfect for small apartments, studios, or multifunctional rooms. Versatile usage. Whether used as a dining table, workspace, or activity center, this set seamlessly adapts to various needs, offering flexibility for modern lifestyles. Comfortable seating for 4. The chairs are ergonomically designed for comfort and neatly tuck under the table when folded, ensuring a clutter-free appearance. Product 5. Product name: a Mop Rack. A mop rack is an innovative storage tool designed to efficiently organize cleaning tools like mops, brooms, and other household accessories. These racks are particularly useful in bathrooms, kitchens, or other areas where space optimization is essential. They are wall-mounted or can be installed behind doors, offering a clutter-free and organized environment. Key features. Wall-mounted design. The rack can be securely attached to walls, making it a space-saving solution for compact areas. Versatile hooks and holders. Equipped with hooks and clamps, it can hold a variety of tools beyond mops and brooms, such as dusters, brushes, and even small gardening tools. Durable construction. Made from sturdy materials like ABS plastic or stainless steel, these racks can withstand the weight of heavy cleaning equipment. Product 6. Product name: OnePC Couch Arm Table. The OnePC Couch Arm Table is a versatile and functional accessory designed to enhance comfort and convenience while relaxing on your couch. This innovative sofa arm tray is a space-saving solution that securely clips onto the armrest of your couch, transforming it into a stable surface for various activities. Key features. Multifunctional design. The arm table includes a flat tray for holding drinks, snacks, remotes, or books, and an integrated phone holder to keep your device within easy reach. Foldable and space-saving. When not in use, the table folds compactly, making it easy to store without taking up valuable space in your living area. Sturdy and stable. Engineered with durable materials and a secure clip mechanism, it provides a firm surface for items, reducing the risk of spills. Product 7. Product name: Standing Clothes Coat Racks. Standing clothes coat racks serve as an elegant yet practical addition to modern living spaces. Designed to balance style and function, these racks provide an effortless way to organize coats, dresses, and accessories while enhancing the aesthetics of your home. Whether placed in the living room, bedroom, or entryway, they can serve as both a statement piece and a storage solution. Key features. Luxury dress organizer. Many standing coat racks now incorporate sleek, minimalist designs that exude luxury. These racks often feature premium materials such as polished metals, natural woods, or even tempered glass, making them ideal for sophisticated interiors. Minimalist design. Minimalist coat racks emphasize clean lines and uncluttered spaces, complementing contemporary and trendy furniture. These designs are perfect for homeowners who appreciate understated elegance. Space-saving wardrobe solution. With limited space in urban homes, standing coat racks double as compact wardrobes. Product 8. Product name: OnePC Wooden 360 degrees Ty Rak. The OnePC Wooden 360 degrees Ty Rak is a stylish and practical solution for organizing ties and belts in a men's closet. Designed with a retro aesthetic, this Ty Rak combines functionality and elegance, making it a valuable addition to any wardrobe setup. Its 360 degrees rotatable feature allows easy access to all ties, ensuring quick and hassle-free selection during busy mornings. This organizer is crafted from high-quality wood for durability and a polished appearance. It features 20 non-slip hooks that securely hold ties and belts, preventing them from sliding off or getting tangled. Their compact design maximizes closet space, making it ideal for those looking to maintain a neat and organized wardrobe. Product 9. Product name: Side Storage Rack. The side storage rack is a versatile and space-saving organizer designed for household use, particularly in the kitchen. Made from durable iron and featuring a magnetic backing, this rack is ideal for attaching to the side of a refrigerator or other metallic surfaces. Its design includes hanging baskets and multiple shelves, allowing for efficient storage and easy access to commonly used kitchen items such as spices, condiments, utensils, or small gadgets. Key features. Magnetic design. attaches securely to metallic surfaces without the need for installation or drilling. Space-saving, optimizes unused areas, such as the refrigerator's side, making it perfect for smaller kitchens or apartments. Sturdy construction, crafted from durable iron, ensuring a long-lasting and stable solution for kitchen organization. Multifunctional storage, includes baskets and hooks for holding various items like paper towels, cooking tools, or seasoning jars. Product 10. Product name Hairbows Organizer. A Hairbows Organizer is a practical and space-saving storage solution designed to keep hair accessories like bows, headbands, and clips neatly arranged. Perfect for a girl's room, this organizer typically features a wall-hanging design, allowing it to be mounted on the wall or door to save space while keeping items easily accessible. With large capacity, it can accommodate a variety of hair accessories, preventing them from becoming tangled or lost. Many organizers have multiple compartments, hooks, or loops, which can hold hair clips, headbands, and bows in an orderly fashion. This helps to reduce clutter and ensures that the accessories are visible and easy to find. The space-saving design makes it ideal for small rooms or shared spaces, offering a functional and decorative solution to keep hair accessories organized and within reach. Product 11. Product name Hanging Vacuum Storage Bags. Hanging vacuum storage bags are an innovative solution designed to maximize storage efficiency while protecting clothing and other household items. These bags offer a convenient way to compress bulky items, such as seasonal clothing, jackets, bedding, or travel essentials, into a compact size, freeing up valuable closet or luggage space. Key features. Space-saving design. The bags feature a hanging hook system, allowing you to neatly organize items while taking up minimal horizontal space in your closet. Perfect for small apartments, homes with limited closet space, or travel. Vacuum compression technology. Using a standard vacuum cleaner or manual pump, the air inside the bag is removed, significantly reducing the volume of stored items. This feature is ideal for seasonal storage or packing for long trips. Product 12. Product name Dish Drainer Rack. A dish drainer rack is an essential kitchen accessory designed to organize and dry dishes after washing. It typically features multiple tiers and sections, allowing for the storage of various kitchenware, such as plates, bowls, pots, and utensils. This rack acts as a plates holder, keeping items neatly arranged and allowing excess water to drain, ensuring a dry, tidy kitchen countertop. Many dish drainer racks are detachable, offering flexibility for storage or cleaning purposes, and are designed to save space, making them an ideal solution for kitchens with limited counter area. In addition to serving as a drying station, the rack can also double as a plates display shelf, providing an aesthetic way to showcase your dishware. Some models include sections for storing pot lids, enhancing their functionality by keeping all kitchen essentials in one organized space. Product 13. Product name Vacuum Storage Bags. Vacuum storage bags are an excellent space-saving solution for organizing and storing items like clothes, bedding, pillows, and blankets. These bags work by using a vacuum to remove air, compressing the contents and reducing their volume significantly. This makes them perfect for maximizing storage space in closets, wardrobes, or even under the bed. Ideal for seasonal clothing, bulky bedding, or travel packing, vacuum storage bags help protect items from dust, moisture, mold, and odors. They are a versatile tool for both home organization and long-term storage, offering a convenient way to keep your belongings tidy and organized while saving valuable space. Their easy-to-use design typically involves sealing the items inside the bag and then using a vacuum cleaner to remove air, making them a practical and efficient storage solution. Product 14. Product name Plastic Clear Shoe Storage Organizer. The Plastic Clear Shoe Storage Organizer with magnetic door 6-pack is a practical and efficient solution for organizing shoes in a closet or other storage spaces. This set includes 6 stackable boxes that can be easily arranged to maximize space. Each box is made of clear plastic, allowing for easy visibility of the contents, making it simple to find the shoes you need without opening multiple containers. The magnetic door closure ensures that each box remains securely closed, while also providing easy access when needed. The stackable design offers space-saving benefits, making this shoe storage system ideal for smaller spaces or for users who want to keep their shoes neatly organized while saving space in their closets. The foldable feature adds convenience, allowing the boxes to be collapsed and stored away when not in use. Overall, this shoe organizer combines practicality, durability, and aesthetic appeal, making it a great choice for those looking to keep their footwear neatly arranged and easily accessible. Product 15. Product name: Space-Saving Rotated Hanger Hooks. The space-saving rotated hanger hooks are a versatile and practical solution for optimizing closet space. Designed to maximize storage in wardrobes, these innovative hooks allow users to neatly organize clothes, bags, shoes, belts, scarves, and more. Their rotating functionality enables items to be easily accessible while saving valuable space by efficiently utilizing vertical storage areas. Perfect for small closets or spaces with limited storage, these hooks can be hung on a closet rod or rack, providing a clutter-free environment. Whether used in a bedroom closet, entryway, or dressing room, these hanger hooks offer a simple, yet effective way to keep everything organized and tidy while maintaining easy access to all your accessories and clothing items.